A new member of the Mavic 3 series has arrived. Introducing Mavic 3 Classic. With a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, captures stunning imagery with vivid yet natural coloring in every frame. 5.1K video delivers professional-grade footage and super sampling for 4K 60 FPS. And a 46-minute max flight time gives you significantly more airtime to explore and capture it all. With DJI O3 Plus video transmission, experience ultra-smooth feeds and fly safe with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0. The newly added Night Shots mode lets you capture brilliant low-light video with reduced noise. And with cruise control, simply set the speed and direction to start moving, leaving you free to focus on your shots. Enjoy unlimited creative potential and explore your vivid world with DJI Mavic 3 Classic.